Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Let me get you guys all caught up on everything. So earlier this year, I went out and bought myself a welding machine because this car needs a ton of work on it. So I figured why not buy myself a TIG welder and get to welding. I was able to send the engine off to the machine shop and get everything done. The block is finished and the head has been resurfaced and also finished as well. And the crank was polished in addition to that. But we're not going to get to putting that thing together just quite yet because I don't have an engine bay to put it in. So we need to get this thing all squared away looking like a car again before we can do that. So let me show you this little clip right here. I managed to find a base Lancer here in Las Vegas at the local pick-a-part. The base Lancer has the exact same fender aprons as the Evo, and they weld to the chassis in the exact same spots. So with an angle grinder and a sawzall, I was able to cut the piece out that I needed for my build. The beauty about pick-a-parts is you just show up with the appropriate tools and you get the parts you need for a fraction of what the dealership would charge for them. I paid about $20 for this and a few other miscellaneous parts. I consider that a score. So I got this tack welded up right now, and we need to do a test fit on the apron and make sure that everything is in place where it needs to be. And so I also have a fender that will bolt up to this thing in addition to the hood and a front bumper, just to make sure everything lines up all good. Alright, this is just a rough mock-up, but I want to get the fender on, the front bumper, and also the hood, and just see how it looks. Alright guys, so that was pretty difficult to do just by myself, so I didn't film everything getting this front end back together, but hey, it's starting to look like an Evo. Now there's a little bit of fitment issues right here, of course, because I don't have anything to support the front end right here, but I mean the fenders and the hood, there's like a little bit of play on those, so I can move that stuff around, but everything looks like it's gonna fit up just fine. So now all we gotta do is just tack and weld this apron back in place and go from there. you guys made it this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. This is going to be a wrap on this video. As you can see, I got this front radiator core support attached on the front. Everything lines up, so it's awesome. I know this could have probably been done easier with a MIG welder, but I'm super excited for doing TIG welding because I got a lot of projects coming up for this build that require a TIG welder. Just for example, I'll be able to do exhaust systems, be able to do catch can systems. Also, I have control arms and subframe that I'd like to build as well for this chassis, and I look forward to creating that content for you guys. And yeah, I truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. On the next episode, we're going to be sanding the engine bay down, getting body filler where it needs to go, and then also hopefully getting this thing done in epoxy primer. Alright, till next time, guys.